Hi, and I'd like to thank you today. This is Jeff from Metro Detroit SEO, and we're going to be reviewing your website and some of the backgrounds on your website as well, as far as the web workings, to say. So first of all, in reviewing and looking over everything, it's very nice, very professional looking. Um, One thing I'm going to say, though, is you need more content on the front page. The front page should at least have 1,000 to 1,500 words, and then in that it allows us to place keywords more frequently throughout there, but not overdoing it. Strategically placing them as well, plus also links, linking you to other places. And getting into the background, majestic, it helps look at certain things. And this is trust flow, and that's one of the things I'm talking about that helps get you ranked higher, and citation flow. This is the main URL, so let's see what the root domain is doing. And that's, well, at least you have 6 citations there. We can just subdomain, none there, and path URL, and we got none there. And there's some external backlinks. Let's go back to the main URL here with that, and then backlinks, and that's some of the things that are linked back. You only have 2 of them, and they're no follow. And this is what you want, is a follow. And what that does is allows that wherever you're linked to link back to them, and that's the kind of stuff that helps get you higher up into Google's main page, get you ranked on the front page. You do have a couple anchor text, which there's some general anchor text as well. I did, in a search, putting up Livonia Dentist, or Dentist in Livonia, and this is the place that comes up first, and I'm going to get into the background of them as a comparison, just so you can see and understand. They're running 32 and 32 on a trust flow and the citation, and it's kind of the same story throughout their whole page, pretty much. It's 24 and 24. One thing I want you to see that's also important is they're close to even. If not even, they're very close to even, and that's another thing that helps get you pushed into the up in the path of being on the front page, because not a lot of people will go look at the next page or even paid advertisements. They want to see what's organically coming up first and going there, and even on their backlinks. See, they have a lot of them that are linking back to them, and that's what's helping getting their placement up higher, along with their anchor text. They have quite a few more anchor texts, and I can go through and scan all the different URLs as well, but I guess you're getting the point there. So, overview. This is Arif's. This is your site, and you're actually ranked 36 million there on Google, which is not that bad. I've seen some that are a lot higher. Your keywords, you have 66 U.S., Brazil, and there's a couple other foreign ones in there as well. That's where it dwindled down, which is not that bad either. We could get a few more in there, more specific as well, and also placing them. Your competition, they're ranked 3 million right there, and there's been going up in the last couple of days as well too. So, but these are the important things that get you moving forward. So those few things, your content, more content, getting your trust flow with links and reaching out to other places, and your citation, which is your name, your name and address linking to other places. So in that, all in all, like I said, your site looks nice. Hopefully you can take this information and use it, or you can give us a call at 313-329-7990. Again, my name is Jeff. My partner is Myra, and we can look over some stuff and have a discussion. All right? Have a great day, and look forward to hearing from you. You can also call 313-673-1705. Thanks.